morning. It's not really good. Not yet, anyway. Yeah, I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. Boo has not been feeling well, and at nighttime she gets what I like to call the cough of death. It sounds absolutely terrible, and yeah, so it keeps us up pretty much most of the night, if not all the night. It doesn't seem to really bother her. She coughs and goes back to sleep. So, yeah. This morning I really didn't want to wake up. I didn't feel good. I don't know what's going on with that. That's pretty much what's going on. I mean, it's Monday, so, you know, she went to school. I went and got myself some coffee. Hopefully that makes me feel a little bit better. We shall see. I don't really know what's going to go on today. It's very nice out, at least. It's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be like in the upper 70s, so that's a nice change from, you know, cloudy and rainy, and it has been. It's been a little chilly. It's been in the 60s, like the lower 60s for the last couple days, so it's a nice change in the weather. Unfortunately, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but whatever, I'll take a nice day. So, I think that's pretty much sums up my morning. We were so late. We were extremely late today. So, yeah. I'm still really not fully awake, I don't think. So, anyway, that is the morning. So, we'll see what happens later, huh? I don't know if you can see that. There's a red fox right there. Running out. Oh, where'd he go? Disappeared. Oh, there he goes, right there. Between the trees. He didn't come up between the trees. There, he was right there. Oh, he was right there. Nope, he's taking off now. So what did you do today in school?
I don't know.
I saw you playing with trains.
Yeah, and Cheryl played with me.
Yes, and Cheryl played with you, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got more fairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah, it's Thomas.
It was Thomas. It was a Thomas, huh? Two Thomases.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two of them. Cool.
We got us fairs.
Yeah. So what else is new? What else did you guys do today? You went outside? Yeah, what did you play with outside? Huh? No, you...
I don't have a shirt.
No, you didn't need jackets. It's warm out today, huh? Yeah. Cool, huh? So what else happened? Did you go on the swing? Did you go on the slide? Did you fall off the slide this time? No? Oh, okay. Did you put your helmet on by yourself? Did you ride the bike? Yeah? Yeah, did you? You did? Outside? Cool. Was it fun? Alright, sounds like fun. Neat. That's it? And that was all, huh? Okay. So she had an eventful day anyway. I really didn't do a whole lot. I cleaned our front porch and put our hummingbird feeder out, wind chimes. Basically, not much. That's about it. Yeah. Took me a while to clean clean the porch and the chairs and all that stuff. But it's all clean now. Yeah, that's about it. Really not much else going on today. It's nice and really warm out. It's about 80 degrees now, so